Welcome back. Hopefully you have finished your assignment on the introductions and job introspection. Maybe you have found some things you have in common with your classmates. The next assignment will be finding an approved internship site, or creating a list anyway for that. The way you're going to do that is by first watching the PowerPoint on internships. It is also narrated so you can listen to it if that's better for you, or you can just read the slides as they go through. The approved internship site list is not an exclusive or exhaustive list of where students have done internships, but it's a good start. As you can see, it's a fairly well organized Excel spreadsheet that has jobs from all of the different areas in exercise and sports science. If you look here, athletic training and all the places where, or many of the places where our students have done athletic training are listed. Cardiac rehab, chiropractic, fitness, health and wellness, medical, and the list goes on. Orthopedics, physical and adaptive education, physical and occupational therapy, senior care, and strength and conditioning. In the assignment, you're going to be asked to find at least 5 sites that you might want to do an internship. 2 of them can come from this web page, or this Excel spreadsheet, sorry. 2 of them can come from any one of these things on the Excel spreadsheet. 2 of them, or 1 of them, has to come from someplace else. That is Shant's job link. If you click on that, you will be directed to Handshake, which is Coastal's way to, if you need a job, you can look here to find the job. So you'll go through the sign-in process and you will look for an internship on Handshake. Now, I'll warn you that there are not a whole lot of internships available, but there are some search engines on here to help make it easier for you. So when you go to Jobs, you click here, and you'll be able to narrow it down to internships. And then you can also create some filters by potentially adding in an industry like fitness, or a job function like physical therapy or something like that. And that will make it easier for you to search for a position. So you'll have to find 1 job on from Handshake. 2 jobs can come from our preferred list, and the last job will come from, or the last 2 jobs can come from someplace that you search for on your own. So you're going to have to look on Google or on other websites that you know that might have internships. Look for their website, see if you can find things, or if you know people who have done internships before, you might be able to find some information on that. You will click on the assignment for all the directions and then submit the assignment here on the internship site list. Good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions.